Hello, 7th grade pre-algebra. We are starting our COVID-19 math plan with our first unit or our first lesson in our special unit on angle relationships. We took a lot of notes on them before spring break, and now we're going to practice on that. The first lesson is angle properties and straight lines, and each of you should have your packet. Please get that now, and I will go over some hints. We'll do a couple of problems together, and then you have an assignment, my friends. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to remind you of is complementary angles are two angles whose sum measure is 90 degrees. Remember, complementary angles make a corner. A corner is 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measures total 180 degrees. Supplementary make a straight line. Finally, adjacent angles. All they are angles that share one side and a vertex, and they are very helpful in solving these angle relationship problems. So going over what this is asking you to do. Okay, so 1 through 4 says, tell whether each pair of angles is complementary. So again, complementary angles, two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. You just need to add them up, see if they equal 90 degrees. If they are complementary. If they do not, they are not complementary. The same thing for 5 through 8, except now you're checking to see if it's supplementary. And supplementary again, two angles whose sum measure is 180 degrees. So check the pairs of angles and see if they equal 180 degrees. All right, 9 through 12, it's a little bit different, but it's kind of the same thing. It says, find the measure of the complement of the angle with the given measure. So if you're looking for the complement, you're looking for complementary angles. So if one angle is 20 degrees, what is the other angle that is complementary to it? 20 plus what equals 90? Well, 20 plus 70 equals 90, so the complement to this is 70 degrees. So you find the complement of the others. All right, on the next page, find the measure of the supplement of the angle with the given measure. It's the same thing you were doing, except now, like on 13 degrees plus what equals 180, because they're supplementary. You got to find what that is. All right, on the rest of this, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how angles are named. Okay, so this says angle ABD and angle DBC. So all you do is you look for these points, A, B, D in that order. So A, here's B, here's D. So angle ABD is this one, and this one is 80 degrees. And angle DBC, here's D to B to C. So angle DBC is this little angle here. So 17 and 18 tells you that they are complementary. Find the value of X. So again, ABD and DBC, they are complementary. 19 and 20 is the same kind of thing, only instead of complementary, they are supplementary. And this one asks you to find the value of M. So if PQS and SQR are supplementary, that means 115 plus M equals 180 degrees. You got to find what M is, and then find what M is on number 20. All right, that is that. Let's look at, let's see, 21 and 22. Answer the following questions. I think you can do that. 23, it tells you that the measure of PQR is 90 degrees. So PQR, this is a 90 degree angle. So you're finding the value of X. So for example, on this one, this angle plus this angle plus this angle would equal 90 degrees. You got to find out what X is. PQR, another 90 degrees. So all of these three, the total of them would be 90 degrees. Same with 25 and 26. All right, I did want to do 26 with you just so that we could get that. All right, PQR is 90 degrees. So 22 plus 41 plus 3x, all three of those would make 90-degree angles. So I'm going to write down that equation. So again, 22 plus 41 plus 3x is 90 degrees. Combine like terms, 22 plus 41, 63 plus 3x equals 90 degrees. Then you would subtract 63 from both sides. So 3x equals 27. And then you divide both sides by 3. Whoops. X equals 9. And there's your answer. X is 9. All right, that's 26. Well, let's look at the next page. All right, 27. It's kind of the same thing, except PR is a straight line. That tells you it's 180 degrees. Find the value of M. All right, I wanted to do 30 with you. PR is a straight line. In the diagram, the ratio of A to B is 1 to 4. Find the values of A and B. So A to B is 1 to 4. So if A is 1x, B is 4x. Makes sense? 1 to 4. And if I were to add the two angles, it makes a straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees. So we've got x plus 5x, excuse me, I'm thinking ahead. It's not 5x, I'm thinking ahead. X plus 4x equals 180 degrees. Well, x plus 4x is 5x. You divide both sides by 5. And that would be 34. Oh, nope, 36. Sorry, trying to do it mentally. Let me just do it out here real quick. Every now and then, you just gotta. All right, that would go 3. Yeah, 36. 36. So x equals 36. All right, but it doesn't ask for x. It says, what is A and B? A would be x. So A is 36 degrees. Angle B is 4x. So it'd be 36 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. So it would be 144. And if you add them together, you should get 180 degrees. All right, you guys, I want you to do today's assignment, and good luck with that. If you have any problems, call me during office hours. Talk to you later. Bye.